Hello everybody, I'm Islam and welcome back to another video. On today's video we are going to transform a picture of your choice into a drawing using Art History Brush tool. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So before we go into Photoshop, we are going to download a brush pack and an image to transform into an art. So for the brush pack, I'm going to use the Daarken brush pack, a free package that contains a lot of folders of brushes and can be used to draw landscapes and other jaw-dropping pictures. So we are going to search on Google Daarken brush pack, and it is free to download. So we are either going to the first link, which is appgumroad.com, or Enlighten. So I'm gonna go to my favorite site, Enlighten, and see the first link here. Press on it and it will download the .abr file that is 340 megabytes. Alright, with that downloaded, we are going to go into unsplash.com and search here for neon person. We can use this effect on any type of images, but I will use it on the two-toned colors on a person, and I will search for one that has a bright and vibrant background. I'll use this for example. So yeah, we've got this image by Red on Unsplash. Go follow him right there. I love to use this image for my tutorial today. So yeah, we are going to press download free, and yeah, let's go into Photoshop, shall we? So after opening the image in Photoshop, first thing we are going to do is open the history tab. By doing that, go to the top bar, press on window and go search for history and press that, and it will open this tab. And the second thing to do is go to the tools bar and just go to your brush tool or press B. Then right click on the image, brush tool is the name. Click on the gear, go to import brush, and import the Daarken brush that you have downloaded earlier. Obviously I have imported them. So what we are going to do is press Ctrl Shift and U to desaturate the image. Then we are going to press on that brush right here and go to your tools bar and press on search on Art History Brush tool. Right click, go to Daarken brush tool right here. Then open this folder, this next folder, then go into basic and press on the third brush on 220 pixels and paint over on the image, and you can paint over the person and background or whatever you like. Right, after that we are going to minimize the brush size from 220 to 40 pixels for more details. Let me just show you right here. As you can see, the hair is sharpened, and press Y again, and the person in this picture have glasses, and now with paint in it we are seeing the glasses are shaping and sharpening up. So yeah, do that with the details that are missing. Alright, after we finish that, press right click again. Let's close the basic folder. Let's go into the hair folder and open it up and go into the third brush, hair, and put it down to 20 pixels or 40 pixels, whichever you like. The less size means more details, and now we are going to sharpen the details more, and as you can see, the glasses right here are sharpening up. The skin is even more vibrant tones. And yeah, do that with every part of the image that you'd like. Alright, with that done, the image you saw at the beginning of this video was blue in terms of color, and to do that effect we are going to go to the layers tab. Let me zoom it right here. So we've transformed this image to this art throughout like the course of this video. So let's go into the layers tab, go to adjustment layer and go to gradient map, which is my favorite method. We are going to load a gradient, which is right here on the screen. On the black color we've got this dark blue, on the gray we've got this marine blue, and on the white we've got this highlighted sky blue. Press OK, and yeah, we've got this bluish color into the image that was orange at the beginning. And what you are going to do is create a clipping mask into the image by right clicking and go into layer mask, and we are going to add another adjustment layer to change the color of our gradient map. So we can drag the hue meter to whatever you want. You can saturate it or desaturate it, add brightness, etc, etc. You can get creative on this property. Alright, with that I will just drag it right here to give it this bluish color. Obviously you can change the gradient. I will change the black color on how it should feel, and this is what I mean by black, which is called shadows. We can darken them to black or we can brighten them, but yeah, I will choose something right here. As you can see, the hex color on the screen right now. And yeah, with that we are done from creating an image like this one into an art like this one. So yeah, that's it for today's video. So with all of that we ended today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, I would appreciate if you drop a like, because it will support me to continue making tutorials and videos like these. Also, sharing with your friends would help them learn too. So with that said, I will see you guys in the next video.
Hey, yeah, 1 time for the pretty women, 2 times for my brother's living, 3 times for the city limits. Look, yeah. Just landing back from Anaheim. Damage rapids through my mind. Triggers calm within the newest time. Trying to reach my prime, but I need a ladder to climb. The questions that I'm